Good morning, students. I am Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 2nd. Okay, so today we will do some exercises of your poem. First is reading is fun. Complete these sentences. So we have to complete these sentences. There is animals and their actions. So here first is already done for you, children. A butterfly can fly. You have read this poem. Here, a butterfly can fly. A manna, what can do manna? A manna can sing. Okay, here, dash can wriggle. Who can wriggle? Yes, a fish. So here we will write a fish. A fish can wriggle. Okay, now next, an elephant. Here we will write can raise its ट्रंक. वो अपनी ट्रंक को रेज कर सकता है. नाउ डैश कैन होप. हु कैन होप? वेरी गुड, ए कैंगरू. सो हेयर वी विल राइट ए kangaroo. Okay, now you, so this is your homework, children. According to you, what you can do? We know you can do everything. You can dance, you can write, you can speak, you can sing, you can draw, you can play cricket, tennis, football, chess. Okay, so you have to write according to yourself. Okay, now move to the next. Here is your question answers. So I have written their answers. These are your questions. Let's start. Okay, so first question, why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? So आप क्या सोचते हो कि क्या जो बटरफ्लाई है वो अपने विंग्स को क्यों पसंद करती है? The butterfly likes its wings because it can fly with the wings. Okay, now next question number 2, what can the myna do? So answer, the myna can sing. Question number 3, what can you do? Sing, paint, write. So tell me, children, what can you do? You can do sing, you can paint, you can write. Okay, so I can read, write, sing and dance, play chess, etc. Okay, now next question number 4, do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? So answer, yes, I think the fish was really happy to be in the water. So these are your answers. Okay, shall we move on the next? Okay, let's listen. So here is a short poem in your exercises. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang woke up with a bang. So you have to recite this also. Okay? Now move to the next. Silence game. So here is a game you can try with your siblings, your parents, your friends at your home. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, close your eyes and hear your teacher say the following words. So you have to close your eyes and you will try to say some words like butterfly, myna, fish, elephant, kangaroo. Then with your eyes still shut, imagine that you are seeing these creatures. When you listen these words, you will imagine and you can see their pictures in your mind. Open your eyes and move like they do, and you have to do like these animals can do, like they hop, can sing like this. ठीक है? So this is your silence game. You can try at your home. Next is complete the pictures and label them. So here is two animals. This is an elephant, a kangaroo. So here are some missing. As you can see, elephant's trunk is missing, and an elephant's ear also missing, and elephant's tail also missing. So, and kangaroo, his two legs are missing and ear also missing. So here we will write what is missing. Okay, so this is elephant's tail. So here we will write tail. This is elephant's ear. So here we will write ear, E-A-R. Its trunk. So T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Its kangaroo ear. So here we will write E-A-R. Its legs. So here we will write legs. Okay. Let's write and act. Fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. So here are some words. Now hop, roar, swim and fly, like them. So here we will fill these words in this blank. If I were a kangaroo, I would hop. So here we will write hop. If I were a tiger, I would roar. Very good. If I were a fish, I would swim. If I were a bird, I would fly. So now move to the next. Say aloud. Okay, so this is octopus. Say with me, octopus. Octopus. It's elephant. 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 Butterfly. 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 Kangaroo. 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 Okay. Let's draw. Complete this picture and draw some plants, shells, stone and fish. Okay, so students, you can add some plants, shells, stones and fish. So you have to draw this picture. Okay, so you can trace these dots, you can make stones and fish here. Okay, let's write. Add full to the words given in brackets and complete the sentences. So here you have to add full in these brackets. There are given some words, so you must be dash to your friends. So here the word is help. So we will write here help. Now we will add the word full. क्या बन गया ये? Helpful. You must be helpful to your friends. Next, make a dash drawing. Here is the word color. Color. Now we will add full. So word will be colorful. Make a colorful drawing. Next, the puppy is so dash. Here is the word play. So play. Now we will add full. The word will be playful. The puppy is so playful. Now next, be dash while crossing the road. Here is the word care. So we will write here care and add full. Be careful while crossing the road. Okay. Now next, join the two words to make one word. Look at the example. So here peaceful. So here peaceful. सो जब हम दो फुल को हम पहले वर्ड से जोड़ते हैं तो वहाँ पे सिर्फ वहाँ से एक ये लास्ट वाला एल हट जाता है. सो एज यू कैन सी PEACEFULL. सो हेयर वी हैव रिटन PEACEFUL. Like this we will join the two words. Okay. Now next is play plus full. So here we will write PLAYFUL. Next is colorful. So we will write COLOURFUL. Next is careful. CAREFUL. Next is hopeful. 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 Okay, like this we will join the two words. Now move to the next. Write 5 things you can do. Start with I can. So here you have to write what you can do. So I can write. Yes, I can read. I can speak. And I can eat. I can eat food. Okay. And I can play also. Okay. In next, what you cannot and what you can. So I cannot crawl, but I can run. I cannot fly, but I can walk. I cannot sing, but I can dance. So like this we will write these answers. Okay. Now give yourself a big star for being what you are. For myself, so here you can attach your picture here and you can give a big star. Okay. In next, let's practice. So this is your homework, children. Here is MNOPQ RSTUV WXYZ. सो ये स्मॉल लेटर में है, कर्सिव राइटिंग है. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस कर्सिव राइटिंग. ओके. सो हेयर यू कैन सी dotted are there, so you have to trace these dots. Okay. And practice it. Like this is M, so like this. N. Okay. Like this you should practice it. Okay. I hope you have understood this topic and exercise also, and please practice this cursive writing at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.